What's going on, everyone? This is your boy Andrew here, back at again with another video. And today we're going to be talking about how you can make $5 in PayPal for free. It's all free PayPal money, and I'm going to show you exactly today how to do it. So it's an app that's available for iOS and Android device, and it's called Sweatcoin. So as you can see here in the main page, it says invite a friend, $5 PayPal cash for free. So I'm going to go ahead and click it. And it says right here, $5 cash free. So it says get this offer with 5 invites. You have already successfully invited 7 of 5. So it says get it now. And right here in the bottom it says price will be 5 invites and 25 sweat coins. It's very easy to get the 25 sweat coins. All you got to do is walk. That's it. So if I go into the right here, this is my balance, $191 in sweat coin money. So as you can see there, I got $5 December 9th. I got $1 there. I got another $5 December 7th. I got another $5 December 4th. $1 there. Another $5 November 17th. The list goes on and on. So it's very simple, you guys. You basically, just start inviting people, or you can just start walking around and start earning some cash from this app, y'all. $5 free PayPal money. It's called Sweatcoin, and I'll put my link in the description below. So if you want this $5 PayPal money for free, all you gotta do is invite 5 people and get 25 sweat coins, and that's it. You're eligible to get $5 ASAP with Sweatcoin. Or maybe somebody in your family and friends that like to exercise or take jogs. Send them all a link. Tell them to sign up, and you get $5 cash. It's not like you need 100 invites. It's only 5 invites, y'all. So go ahead and start inviting people and start walking with this app so you can get them sweat coins up and start getting your $5 PayPal cash right now. So it says right here in the bottom, if I scroll down, invite 5 friends to Sweatcoin to earn $5 PayPal. You will be sent $5 to your PayPal account. So it says how to claim. Number 1, purchase the offer after inviting 5 friends to successfully download Sweatcoin with your link. Number 2, upon reaching the target, click purchase. Number 3, you will receive a code. Number 4, follow the instructions on the link to get $5 sent to your PayPal account. It's that simple. $5 in PayPal cash for free. So I hope you guys liked today's video. It was very short for y'all. Click that thumbs up button for more. Share this video with all your friends. And please don't forget to subscribe and click that little bells icon so you don't miss any of my future content coming up in the near future. So with that being said, y'all, take care and God bless.